So this is a small little package again. Once again, unknown. Wrapped up like the last one I had from this guy. Definitely protected really well in shipping. More protection. Alright, it's just a relay or something. Yep, yeah, that's what it is. Relay. It's about the size of the box. I've seen these before. 2-post relay, cutout relay for a 32E generator. So that's early pan, knucklehead, UL, 45. And before that you had RL and UL. So these are on there pretty good. Still got the original rust color in there. Made in USA, real fine print. So this is basically for a RL or VL, a non-idiot light dash, so not a cat eye dash or a skull dash. This is made for an older bike. So this is all copper construction, really good quality. I like these things when I find them. You just can't run an idiot light telling you if your generator works or not. So the VLs and RLs, they just had a little dash up on the handlebar. You just had an on-off switch in it and an amp gauge. That was it. So the amp gauge told you if it was working or not. So that basically gets you from 30 to 36, and then 37 and 38 on the RL. Well, that'd be a WL 45. They still use non-idiot light. They use that early I-beam front end. And then the knucklehead came out of the skull dash, which had a gauge on it. So once again, you could use this one here on 36, and I think 37, and then 38 they came out with the low idiot lights, I think. They might still have a gauge in there maybe, I'm not sure. A little frosty on those early late 30s stuff, you know, it's not quite old, not quite new. I'm kind of, don't remember real close. It's right in between. So the cat eye dash came out in 38. It definitely had idiot lights. I think the 39 or 38 skull dash had idiot lights. I think 37 was a gauge and 36 was a gauge. Could be wrong, but so I'm guessing 37 on back on Big Twin, and then 38 on back on 45. But yeah, these are nice, good quality. I like these a lot. So really good construction. So that's what you're looking for. When you see the one that has that big screw on the bottom of these things, it's a piece of crap. The screw, the nut comes loose and the whole thing falls apart. You want this old riveted one. These are the good ones. That's how the old Delco Rimis were made. So the screw together ones were a Dixie part. They were made in Japan or Taiwan where they were made. Probably Japan back in the day, but that was not good. But these ones are nice. And you know, these were probably most of the stuff is made before World War II is when these were probably made. Definitely past, not much past 1950, I bet. So this is still uncoated metal in there, but it's over inside of here, so you don't get rust in it. So, all right, I like these. These are good. They only work if you have an old bike, though. But I have old bikes, so I don't care. See, old bikes are 30s, new bikes are 40s. Remember that. And we don't care anything past the 50s. All right, there you go. That's that.